Hello and welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making chicken and stuffing in the crock pot. Let's get cooking. Start by placing 1 can of cream of chicken soup into a large bowl. Then add 8 ounces of sour cream, followed by 6 ounces of stuffing mix. After that, toss in some diced onion, 2 celery stalks, and 16 ounces of cooked Bob Evans sausage. Now pour in 3/4 of a cup of chicken broth, followed by a dash of rosemary. From there, mix everything together until well combined. After everything's mixed, set the mixture aside. In a small bowl, add 3 tablespoons of melted butter, followed by 3 teaspoons of minced garlic. Then, sprinkle in some black pepper with a dash of salt. Top it off with some parsley. Now, mix everything together, then set the mixture aside. On a baking sheet, spread out some fresh green beans, along with some baby carrots, and some fresh mushrooms. Now, brush the garlic butter mixture over the vegetables. Start by lightly spraying the crock pot with cooking spray. Then place the chicken breasts into the crock pot. Season with some black pepper and a dash of salt. Finish with a little Italian seasoning. Then flip the chicken over. Now, season the other side of the chicken the same way. Next, add in the stuffing mix and spread it over the chicken. Place the foil over the stuffing and press it down evenly. Then, using a fork, poke a few holes in the foil. Now place the vegetables inside the foil. Cover and cook on high for about 4 hours. Once the chicken is nice and tender, remove the foil. And just like that, it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed making this easy chicken and stuffing recipe as much as I did. If you liked this one, be sure to save it, share it with someone who loves simple crock-pot meals, and follow Simply Easy Cooking for more easy, homemade recipes just like this. Thanks so much for cooking along with me. See you next time.